If a quick share does not work properly on your Samsung Galaxy A57, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can open the settings, go to connected devices, and here we can go to the quick share, and there we go. The first thing that we're gonna do here is we can tap on who can share with you, and if you have trouble with being detected on another device, and then in that case we can set the visibility to everyone. By default, we can set it to 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes it switches back to whatever was selected before. So of course, if you need more time, you can uncheck only for 10 minutes, so you stay visible until you actually switch it manually back to anything else. And besides that, you might want to check other options in here, such as allow sharing over internet. So if it's not possible to share using a direct connection, sharing will continue over the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So of course, this might be quite helpful. And besides that, if you still have trouble with using the quick share, what you can also do, in the case if you want to receive files, you can just simply go to the control center or quick settings. Over here, open this expandable area, and you should be able to find quick share. You can tap on the quick share button in here to open the quick share app, and in here we have the receive tab at the bottom of the screen. As long as you stay on this screen, your visibility is set to everyone, so it doesn't matter what it is set up in the settings, how it is set up in the settings, you should still be able to be detectable on other devices as long as you have this menu open. Of course, if you want to send files, then you can go to send instead. You can choose files that you want to transfer and so on and so forth, or you can just go to the app where you have files that you want to send. You can open the file, use the share button, and then in here we can find quick share as well, and this works too. And then you should be able to find another device that you want to share with. Also, you can generate a QR code or a link that we can use instead. So you can scan this QR code, or other device can generate this QR code, so you can scan it on your Galaxy A57, so you can download the link from the quick share website. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.